Hey, today let's make simple chickpea masala for a lazy day. And for that, I have taken boiled chickpeas. They are boiled with some salt. And I'm going to share the video in the description, the link where how to boil chickpeas. So here I've taken oil, and you can take any oil. Add cumin seeds. Cumin seeds help digestion. And we are going to add some ginger. I have chopped ginger. You can also add ginger green chili paste if you have. Be creative every time you make something. And this is tomato puree. You can also add grated tomatoes or finely chopped tomatoes. It's a very simple chana masala. And then I'm going to cook this for 2 minutes until that raw flavor is released. And now goes spices. For spices, coriander powder. We have already added cumin seed, so a little bit of cumin seed powder, red chili powder as per your taste, and some turmeric. So gas is medium. Just cook it for another 2 minutes, and I'm going to add salt just for these tomatoes because we have already added salt to the chickpeas while cooking. So be careful with salt. So when you cook tomatoes with the spices, all the spices gets absorbed in that puree. So I'm cooking it, covering and cooking for 2 minutes. So total I've cooked this tomato puree for about 5 minutes. Add some cilantro. I'm going to add more cilantro later on for garnishing. So I'm going to cook this for another 2 to 3 minutes because I can feel that rawness again. So it's total 5 to 6 minutes you need to cook the tomatoes. Depending if the tomatoes are not ripe, then cook for more time. Um, and now we're going to add the chickpeas. This is just the remaining water I'm adding. And now I'm going to add cooked chickpeas. It's a very simple recipe, and we are going to cook chickpeas in the masala for another 3 to 4 minutes. Now, if you want thickness to this recipe, then you can crush some chickpeas and add to this. But I have a trick. Instead of crushing them separately and washing another mixie, I just mash a little bit, not all of them, like at 2 3 places I'll just crush them a little bit, and this will add thickness to the my curry, and adjust the consistency as needed. Now I'm going to garnish it some cilantro and dry fenugreek leaves. This is optional if you don't have. And this is like once you add cilantro, I just cook it for about 1 or 2 minutes and put up the flame because I want the freshness of the cilantro. This can be served with rice, with paratha, roti. Do enjoy this and let me know if you have any questions or comments.